Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing guys. Today's video I'm in the garden guys, and today I have just arrived late. This is how I came, and because I have to change, of course I'll change my clothes. I can't use this for digging. Yes guys, so man, how do they call digging in Uganda? Baita batyo kulima
mu Luganda era okulima.
And okulima in Kiswahili is kulima. Then I have to change everything. I have to change this. I can't dig in my beautiful trouser because I have to change quickly, very quickly. And I go to dig. Ngena kuja mgonda. People don't remove only language for bad marks, even if you change it. Because I have to remove this. Then she comes. How many minutes? Of course, I have to do this. I have my punk. I have my hoe. In Swahili, this is jembe. Hii ni panga. Then, I don't know how do you call this? Gumboots. Because I have to wear. Sorry. Like this. And like this. I've been digging and then I'm just going to proceed. So guys, here I have already finished. It is a season for planting in Uganda, but I am a bit late, so I have to organize the garden very well. So this is unorganized. Even this just have of being organized. I'm not yet organized it well, guys. I have to cut all this. All this. Guys, this is today's work. I have worked from there, that side, there, like this, and this all here. I'm going to just complete for me. I'm almost finishing here, and I'm preparing now for planting for tomorrow. I'll be collecting all the weed at the same place. I'll be collecting all this at the same place. Then I do what? I finish all this. I'll be collecting tomorrow at the same place. So this is almost finishing up of today. This is caused by soil erosion. The water comes like this and it collects everything up to here, guys. Yes. Oh my God. So guys, this is the end of my video, and this is how it looks now, guys. As you can see, it's now, so it's very good, and I'll be collecting all this weed tomorrow, collecting it before I plant. Yep, you can see, guys, it is not like the way we came at first. You can see. Of course, it's very good now. It's somehow, and at least you can see. Or by the hands, like eating the things from soil after digging. I don't know why. You can see Africa is just a blessed land. It's about to rain, but good luck. We have finished our work for today. Let's wait tomorrow. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and comment. Oh my God, thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye. I love you all. I love all my fans. Thank you so much.